Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevrolet Cruze bonnet. First, ensure your driver's side door is unlocked and open. Then, look under the dashboard to the left of the brake pedal for the bonnet release latch. It often has a car symbol on it. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a distinct pop sound from the front of the vehicle. This action partially releases the bonnet. After pulling the interior lever, walk to the front of your Cruze. You'll notice the bonnet is slightly ajar, typically by about 1 inch. Carefully reach your hand into this small opening right above the Chevrolet emblem to locate the secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the bonnet from fully opening accidentally while driving, ensuring an extra layer of security. With your hand inside the bonnet gap, you will feel a small tab or lever. This is the secondary release. Press or slide this tab often to the right or left while simultaneously lifting the bonnet upwards. It might feel a bit heavy, so use both hands if needed to lift it smoothly. Once released, the bonnet will open fully, revealing the engine bay. Now that the bonnet is open, locate the metal prop rod. It's typically clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself. Unclip the rod and firmly insert its end into the designated slot on the engine bay frame. This ensures the bonnet stays safely open while you perform any necessary checks or maintenance. Always double-check that the rod is stable before working under the bonnet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.